Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download graphic card uh, Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com. After that, right hand side this is search icon, and then enter the model number of graphic card AORUS RTX 3060 Ti Elite 8G and then hit enter. Then click on the product. Now you can see this is 1.0 and this is 2.0, but driver and all same. You just click on it. Then click on support. Then select your operating system, Windows 10 and 11 and 7 also. So all the operating system driver download and install process same. So just select operating system. This is your driver and click to download. This is download icon. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. It is completed 4 to 5 minutes. After that, click on three dot and you can see it is download option. So you just click click. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see Nvidia package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that, you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete, driver installations will start. After that, you can see, okay. Now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon next, license options, and here to step finished. And after that, also completed driver, then restart your system.